Hey ELA team, I just wanted to do a quick recording to show you guys Google Forms if you are interested in using them. If you already use them, then you don't have to watch the video. But I did want to record a video for those of you that have not. So what I have done in the past is I have created a Google form for my kids to fill out at the beginning of class. This is when we were virtual. And so while they were doing this, it gave me an opportunity to look at the chat and take attendance. Now I sent that Google extension out, so that should definitely help with attendance in the future. But still, you want them to get into the habit of coming into class and starting some form of warm up. So what I did was I created a Google form. I always indicated that they needed to indicate their name, and I made that a requirement. Then I had a writing prompt or a picture, and I would have them like tell a story about it or write a story about it. And in this case, I asked them, tell me one thing you would do to change the world, and then give details. And so then I had would you rather, and then they would select those things. I've also done their feelings. So like, how are you feeling today? I've also included pictures, as I stated, for writing prompts and things like that. What I like about this on this side, I'm able to see it, like my responses pop up here as soon as they do them. So this is what the students see. They don't see the responses side. This is how they would fill it in. If you want to send it to your kids, you would click send. You would click link here. I always shorten the URL. You don't have to do that. That's just a preference of mine. I copy it and then I'll drop it in the chat and or in the Google Classroom. I put it in both places for them. Then if I wanted to see the responses, I'm in my own Google Forms. So let's say, for example, it's later on in the day, I want to go look back at their responses. I will go to Google Forms. Here we go. Sorry, I probably need to move that higher. Anywho, I will go to Google Forms, and then here is my form. I will select the form that I'm interested in seeing. I usually name mine by date and period, as you can see. And then once you're in Google Forms, you click on responses and it populates like this. I created one specifically for this recording so that it would not display student names. When the kids fill them out, these are lengthy because that's what my requirement is, but this is what I just put in for this recording. And so these are the student responses. It shows me a pie chart of, would you rathers, those answers. And I can use this to help create additional writing prompts, or when I give the kids free writing and they say like, I don't know what to write about. Remember that time you told me you wanted to be a superhero? Write me a story about being a superhero. What powers did you have? What did you do? What did that entail? And so now it's not, you can identify by student, but it's kind of hard when you have multiple, when you have more than 3. So if you go back to the top, you click this green Excel spreadsheet here, create a spreadsheet, create, and it has a spreadsheet. It has a timestamp, so I see when kids completed it, and it also has their names, and I can just scroll over. Again, you can do this with any type of form that you so choose. This is just a quick little video on how to do that. Let me know if y'all have questions. See you Tuesday.